I got one of these. It is a Sena 60s, and it's like $400, so I'm hoping that it's worth the money. And all that type of stuff. Some paperwork. And that, probably the instructions, yeah. I picked, put that there for, I also got this today at Cycle Gear, the local one down up on Lancaster Drive. They had it in stock, so I put it on hold overnight and picked it up today. This is a whole bunch of ear pad extenders. I've had a Sena 10C a long time ago, so I know what these are. These are to stick out the ear pad, or the little speaker things. If you've got narrow ears, you can add these behind the speakers in between the helmet to let it reach out further towards your ear. And there's a stick-on helmet base thing, kind of flexible, so that's nice. Got the 3M stuff there. Make sure, there we go. You know what, I'm going to go ahead and real quick like, I'm not sure if it'll do it while it's working, but I am going to bring open the GoPro. Oh, I can't do live view. Oh, I can, but I have to stop, so. Okay, now we're back. And as I said, now these are some of the mounting options, the ear pad or ear speaker options. This is a charging harness and 3.1 millimeter adapter for this. You've got other microphones, I presume, 'cause that's the typical Sena style connector there. Like this one for the microphone. I've been using that connector for a long time. And looks like a nice robust microphone. It's got little barbs on it, so when you stick your foam cover on it, it won't slip off like they used to. Little barb right there. Okay, what else do we got here? Oh yeah, a little stick-on, or a Velcro on button microphone, just in case. So yeah, it's not bad. You get the boom microphone with a plug-in. You get the button microphone with a plug-in, and it also comes with this part. If I can get it out of here. Okay. So this is most likely how I'm going to be using it, because I got the adventure helmet, or whatever you want to call it, the modular helmet. So I'll be using probably this. And it's got some kind of little helmet clamp here. Not sure how secure that'll be, or if it'll work with me. It should. I mean, if not, we've got this here. We'll do the same thing, supposedly. Or probably unscrew these, and then this probably clips to the back without the spring. And supposedly it says push upward. Oh, you probably didn't see nothing like that. See, push upward to remove main unit. Okay. What do you mean? Yeah, wow. Jeez, that is a freaking holy shit. Yeah, that's a good super duper heavy duty magnet there. and it has a little... holy shit. Man. There we go. Dang. That thing is... oh. No? Okay. Anyways, I'm not going to stick it back on there. Yeah, it's got some kind of really heavy-duty magnet. And it kind of latches in the back there. It's got a little notch for that. So, bada boom. Alright, little microphone. Oop. Ah, shit. Hopefully everything's still going. Oh, and here's the, if you're going to use these other microphones, this is the one you use for the bass. And then if you're going to use just this one by itself, you can have it dedicated and hard mounted right there, one piece. Or you could take this one with its plugs. I'm presuming this is going to be a plug. Maybe not now. I could be wrong. I have to look at the instructions. I don't want to damage it, but as far as I know, you'd probably have a place underneath this little rubber nub that you could poke that into. Or maybe it's on the camera. Or the communicator. Nope, we'll figure it out. That's what instructions are for, I suppose. So, that's all of that. Oh, these are sticky backed Velcro pads for hook and loop attachers. A lot of them. I mean, like, there's a lot of them in there. Oh, the foam cover for the microphone. Looks like it's got about four microphone covers. Right here. And then these are the fuzzy backed Velcro for the hook and loop. That would be the back of these have the hook part. And these have the fuzzy loop. And I'm not sure what this is for. Oh, this is if you're taking it off, supposedly, not supposedly, when you take it off of here, you know, to go into a store somewhere, you can apply this over top, I think, to cover up the USB port. So that would go like, oh, and it's magnetic too, nice, okay. So I get that, and then just sticks down there, keeps it from getting dirt and water in there. Alright, that's nice. That's nice. Alright, so that's out there, and I'm going to do an installation video a little bit later. But I just wanted to kind of get this up, recorded, and where's my, oh, there it is. Get it all recorded, and then upload it, just to let you know I'm still alive out here, and hopefully going to be doing some motovlogging real soon. And oh, is there anything else in here that I forgot? Oh yeah, oh, that's right. Got pretty nice, and then, you know, for the price, $400, you get a white cover, kind of a silver metallic color, and a black color for that cover. But then, I mean, like, as you can see, you got that one there, and then you got that one there. I'm not sure how these go on or off. So I'm not going to mess with that until I read the instructions on how to change it. And then it's got matching colored wheels for that. You got your black wheel, your white wheel, the jog shuttle wheel, whatever you call it, and then a silver one. So, alright, that's that. And I'll have a installation video up not too long. I'm gonna, as soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna eat and then set aside about an hour and a half to get this done. Shouldn't be too bad. Like I said, I had a Sena 10C with a camera, you know, and the communicator built into it, and it didn't take very long. You know, I just got to make sure I got everything set up to get it done in one camera shoot. So, alright, later.